Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an ocean-inspired alcohol ink painting. For materials, you're going to need a sheet of Yupo paper or waterproof paper. You'll also need blue alcohol inks. I'm using the new inks from Brea Reese in the shades Lake Blue, Ocean Green, Prussian Blue, Sky, and Turquoise. A mister bottle full of isopropyl alcohol, a hairdryer, heat gun, or straw, whichever you prefer to dry, some blending solution or isopropyl in a smaller bottle, an Aqua Brush full of isopropyl alcohol for detailing. To start, we're going to add a bit of isopropyl or blending solution on our page, and then add some ocean green ink. Next, we're going to use our drying tool to help move and blend the ink across the page. Next, we're going to add some more isopropyl and add some turquoise ink. Then we're going to repeat the process to blend it out, and if you want to have it more diluted, then add some more isopropyl. Next, we're going to add some Lake Blue ink and some isopropyl, and then we're going to blend that out. Next, we're going to start darkening things up, adding some Prussian Blue Ink. Next, we're going to add some more Lake Blue ink to help balance things out. Next, we're going to take our mister full of isopropyl and we're going to hold it above the painting. If you hold too close, then it will have a smaller spray pattern and you might have to blend it out like I'm doing here. And here I'm adding some more Prussian Blue ink because it needs just a little more contrast. Now I'm adding a little more Prussian Blue ink to balance things out and add a little darkness to the right side of the painting. Next, you're going to take your mister, holding about 2 feet above your painting, for a light spritz. This will have a nice light disbursement instead of flooding the page like I did before. Next, you're going to take your Aqua Brush and add some little bubble details. Next, we're going to add another light spritz from above to add some more detail. Next, I'm going to go back in with my Aqua Brush and add some more bubbles. And there you have it, an easy ocean and water inspired alcohol ink painting. I hope you liked this little tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you want to follow me on my art journey, please follow my Instagram at Elizabeth Karlson Art. Thanks for watching!